Hey, what's up, guys? It's Painting with Billy again. We're going to do another video lesson. I got so many good responses from my last video. I was getting emails all night saying, great job, this was so helpful. I could finally draw an animal now, and all that good stuff. Thousands, millions of views even on the video. So it's just doing really well. So I figured why not? We'll make a second video right now, video lesson. So this time I'm going to teach you guys how to draw a horse. So I'm not sure if you know what a horse is, but it is a type of animal. It's you'll see a lot of people like cowboys riding them, and other people, all kinds of people. Anyone can ride a horse, really. It doesn't have to be cowboys. So I don't know who. Some people think it's just cowboys. It's not. So you got to get a piece of paper. You need a pen, just like last time. I mean, pretty self-explanatory stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and just like the last video, we're going to make a nice circle-y type of body. It doesn't have to be perfect. Like, obviously, this isn't a perfect circle, but that's what makes it unique, and that's what makes it your own, is not doing stuff perfectly. So you start with the body, and I'm not going to draw feathers because it is a horse, although I am always tempted to draw feathers. So now the difference with a horse is, so the head is more like round, and then it has a long nose. And so the head connects to the body right there. You could shade that in. This is a technique of shading called like cross something. And anyway, I'm really good at it. And then so you're going to go ahead and draw the eyes. 1, 2. So when I was a kid, actually, my parents used to ask me, oh, what do you want to be when you grow up? And this was back in the 90s. And I always said, I want to be on YouTube. I want to make YouTube lessons on art. And this was before YouTube was even around. So they were very confused. They didn't know what I was talking about. And then obviously when YouTube was created, then it made sense. And they were like, oh, okay. And so, yeah, this has been my dream since basically when I was born. So okay, so now with the nose, you're going to want to draw 2 little holes at the end. That's where horses breathe out of. So if you want to look at the anatomy of a horse, you could pull up a picture on Google. You see where they breathe out of, and this is usually where. Sometimes you'll see them breathing out of their mouth, but usually you'll see them breathing and breeding and stuff. So I've never seen a horse breeding before. So you're going to go ahead and draw the legs now. 1 big leg in the back and 1 big leg right there. Just like the last animal, they usually have 2 little legs right up front. And you could draw little tiny fingers on there. Because usually horses, they'll crawl on their front little legs. Go ahead and draw 2 toes on the back. Actually, horses even have horseshoes, so you could go draw a horseshoe. See, I'm winging it, so I haven't prepared anything, so something like a horseshoe just popped into my mind. That's how I think. It's amazing, really. That's why I meant to do this stuff. Okay, so now a horse's tail is more curved, like that. Perfect. And yeah, like last time, go ahead and make it hairy. Some people will yell at you, but I mean, that's just, it's fine. It's fine. You don't have to, who cares what other people think? And now, let's see, where are we? That's pretty much it. I mean, I guess you could draw, they are pretty muscular, so you could draw, it's its ribs. And, you could do, some hair around the nose and stuff. Just little finishing. Oh, yeah, and the nose. That is the nose. But you could add this anyway, just for a finishing touch. Why not? I mean, some horses do look like this. Exactly like this. So, basically that's it. You could draw a little person standing on top, riding it, cowboy, give him a nice cowboy hat. that's basically it. So there we go. That's a horse. All right, thanks guys. So we'll be back with another video lesson at some point, and yeah, see you later, whatever.